Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Dad Be Creative, and I am here today with just a little project share. I was going through some of my paper pads, and this was one of those paper pads that you get 25 in a pack from Tuesday Morning, and it's Simple Stories, beautiful collection. And the SKU number, if you're trying to find it Tuesday Morning, which is probably gone right now, but it may come back in again, is 1958705. These are 12 by 12, and they all have the 6 by 6 pieces, like the little cut aparts. So I just cut some apart. That's the B side. And I just want to make some cards out of them, so I have some stash. So I cut some up, and I just made some quick cards. I used my Recollections card base. Oops. So I didn't have to make the cards in the envelope. And these are the 5 by 6.5. So these are in the ivory. My window's open, so if you hear people talking, sorry. But it's not hot enough for AC. It's just that nice fall weather when the weather is beginning to break. It's not too hot. Yay. So I want to get some fresh air in the house. So sorry about the noise. Anyway, so these are the cards I made for the first two right here. Sorry about the glare, the light. But this one says "Live Beautifully" and a look for beauty. Look for the beauty in every day. So I just cut those apart like that. So they're 4 by 6s. So you get 6 on a page. And so I'll show you the first 6 that I made. So I made 3 of each design. Simple, basic, and I just want to show you these because it's just a quick way to make cards out of your cut aparts, you know, which we all know we can do that, but sometimes we forget about it, and sometimes we just make them simple, just plop them up there. And I just did a little bit alterations to them, but quick, simple cards that you can make in a quick hurry to help build your stash up. So I'm just show you what I made. So with the very first one, the Live Beautifully, most I did was just add some bling and some matting paper, and it's, ooh, that shine. So this is the very first one. That gold is let me see. Anyway, so it says, it's just shimmery, sorry, because that gold is in it. And it's matted in some Recollections gold, and this is Recollections. The gray, the black, and the gold are all going to be Recollections paper. And this says Live Beautifully. And I just cut that 4 by 6 out. I kept that in the regular intact shape. Add some gold bling that I got from AC Moore Love Nicole brand. And this is just a strip from another piece of paper, and all of them are blank on the inside for right now. So I may be gifting these, so I'm going to leave them blank so the recipients can put whatever they want in them, and they have the envelopes to go with them as well. So it says Live Beautifully, and that's just a simple, quick card. This one didn't come out quite as what I wanted, but I fussy cut out the word Live Beautifully, and I punched out with the Paper Studio Flower Punch. And the smallest one up here is 3 layers, but the smallest black one is actually a Marvy Flower Punch. And then I put the logo Love Nicole bling in the middle. These are some black bling I got from the Dollar Tree. And a little pink strip is from the paper collection, and then the green and the black are the Recollections, as well as the gold. So it is shimmery, so sorry about that. And again, they're all blank on the inside. So the third one that I made for the Live Beautifully, just use a little punch there and piece of bling, matted it with some gold and some black and some more of the paper. So that's what the first 3, how all of these are the same 4 by 6 piece, and I made it a little bit different for each one of them. So for the other 4 by 6 piece, I wanted some in a different orientation, so I had these vertical. And this one I just cut down to a 3 by 4. And I used, which die did I use for this one? I believe it was my, Project Life one, 3 by 4 one, or it was my Richard Garra, because I have both of them have the Project Life dies, and I have both sets, and I have both of them out. So, and then I just matted it, and I corner around it with my Way Our Memory Keepers corner punch. Put a little string of some pearls right there. Cut a doily in half, and a strip of some of the paper that came with this on the back side of this. And so that's that one. Very simple, but it's another way to mat that. And this is popped up on foam, not foam, but on dimensional. This one right here is just a doily, some bling, and that one, the 3x4 going horizontal. So very simple and quick card right there, but nice and effective as well. And then this one, same thing. I cut out some banners with my We Are Member Keepers dies, banner dies, and I cut this out with, I believe that one was that a punch? For some reason I want to say this was a punch. Yeah, this was a punch. And then I popped it up a foam die, and then I put the doily at the top and the bottom. So, and that's those 3 versions of that same card. So, again, real quickly, you can take those cut aparts and make different looking cards. And so, you just have to work with the format of the words that are on. These all have words on it, so I'm kind of limited about how I can cut them and crop them, but still, I think there's a quick way to build your stash and to also kill some of this paper. So thanks for, and I'll come back with the other ones once I get the other ones completed as well. But thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.